Welcome to the 10-day Supercharged Cleanse. I'm Dr. Stacy Francis, and I can't wait for you to start this whole body and mind restoration program. The Supercharged Cleanse is the Supercharged method, which helps you balance blood sugar, metabolism, and get all the nutrients you need for your body to work optimally. And it's a detoxification program where we clean out the environment around us to the best of our ability, and we clean out our bodies of toxins and chemicals that may have impaired our natural detoxification processes and our health. So let's dive right in. Everyone can do the Supercharged Cleanse, unless, one, you're pregnant. If you're pregnant, you can't do the Supercharged Cleanse. You can do the Supercharged method. You can clean out your environment of all the toxins to help you and your family, but you're not going to do the detoxification program for your body, not while you're pregnant. You can do it after you're pregnant. And if you are on medication, then you need to clear it with your doctor first before you do the Supercharged Cleanse. Because the Supercharged Cleanse, even though it is very healthy and very safe, it can make your medication either work too much or too little. And so that will need to be adjusted as you go. So if you're on medication, talk to your doctor and get their clearance first. I can't wait to get started, so let's get started. Welcome to the 10-day Supercharged Cleanse. I'm Dr. Stacy Francis, and I can't wait for you to start this whole body and mind restoration program. The Supercharged Cleanse consists of the Supercharged method that helps balance blood sugar, helps with metabolism, and gives you the nutrients you need for your body to work optimally. Plus, it's a detoxification program that helps you clean out your environment and your body. If you are pregnant, then you need to only do the Supercharged method and clean out your environment for you and your family. Do not do the body detoxification program. If you are on medication, then you want to clear it with your doctor first before you go on the Supercharged Cleanse. Other than that, this program is for you, and I can't wait to hear if you get more energy, focus, clarity, if you lose that stubborn weight, if you get clearer skin. That's what a lot of our patients have noticed going through the Supercharged Cleanse. I can't wait for you to share what happens to you. Let's get started.